Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. Going to talk about a topic here we don't talk about overly often on this channel, although from time to time we bring up the education visa. As I've discussed in other videos, the education visa is the visa category most often cited for crackdown that I've seen in the 15 years I've been here. When you see major problems, major crackdowns associated with, you'll read foreigners in Thailand illegally or using fraudulent documentation or using sort of false reasons for being in Thailand. Oftentimes you'll wind back and you'll find out it's either an education visa or more recently volunteer visas, which have very much fallen into disuse, especially in recent months. But again, people will contact me about the education visa and they sort of view it as like everything's just hunky-dory. You can have problems with education visas. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail, that's pattayamail.com. Article is titled, Mega Changes Ahead for Thailand's Elite Visa. Quoting directly, and this is a small excerpt, the thrust of that article goes a different direction. It's very much worth reading. I urge those who are watching this video, maybe go check that out for yourselves. But quoting directly, some abuses have been linked to corruption in Thai immigration and disreputable language schools enrolling absentee learners. Yeah. When we saw the last major crackdown associated with the Thai education visa, the major issue was that people were ostensibly attending school, ostensibly using this visa to go to school here in Thailand, and then they would come to find out that that was all just fraudulent. Basically, people weren't doing it at all. And that led to certain rules being put in where you had to attend classes and these things, which sort of brings us up to now. But again, as time goes on, things kind of lighten up and people kind of revert to their old ways. We see these problems. Yet again, I caution those who are watching this video, education visas in Thailand can be useful if you're genuinely doing something of a pedagogical nature here in Thailand. You're genuinely going to school, you're genuinely enrolled in something that you need that visa for. But if you're using it as a pretext, be warned. In the past, this is the first visa category they go after when they have a crackdown.